With the PAFnow Process Mining Visual, you can visualize and analyze your business processes in an intelligent process flow based on event data. To get started with process mining in Power BI, all you need is an event log with the following information: a case ID to uniquely identify cases, an activity name describing what has happened, and a timestamp to denote when something has happened. Now let's start exploring your process. You can pan and zoom in your process, and you can search for certain parts. To increase the complexity of your process graph, use the slider in the bottom to add more variance. Also, you can filter your process, include or exclude certain parts. The cool thing is that our visual remembers all the filters and you can delete them individually, or all at once if you like. If you want to level up your process mining game even more, you can upgrade the PAFnow Process Mining Visual to Premium. Then you'll have access to many more features. For example, you are now able to perform a conformance check to compare your as-is process with the target process flow. Also, you can change the layout to multigraph to see process flows side by side. Discover the power of knowledge with PAFnow Process Mining Visual.